Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called TOKFIT. And basically what this is a massage gun that you can use to help massage any part of your body if you guys are sore, tired, or just fatigued in general. So first thing first is actually open up the product to show you guys what's inside first. So for the case itself, it only has one zipper, so you can only need to open one way and not like both ways like this. But when you guys open up the product, this is basically what it looks like inside. So you guys can see that there's the massage gun right here. There's 6 different heads right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And right here, the charging cable that you would use to charge the product. They do provide you a little instruction guide to teach you guys how to use the product and everything else. But that's basically everything that's on here. So this is basically what the massage gun looks like. As you can see, it's definitely high quality and everything. It feels really nice. And right here is where you guys would insert the head. So depending on what you guys want to massage, so like your back, your knees, your legs, whatever part that you guys want to massage, that's how you guys determine which one to use. So I'm just gonna pick out this head right here to use this one for an example for you guys. On the bottom part, you guys can see that there's the plug outlet right here to plug in the cable to charge it. And there's an on and off switch right here to activate the product, if you guys can see. So once we activate it, then you guys can actually turn it on right here. So what you guys want to do is press the middle button right here to activate it, if you guys can see. And then the plus and minus is to increase the speed level. And maximum speed level is 20. So if I go like this, push it all the way to 20. You guys can see this is 20. And this is what it sounds like or what it looks like. And I believe this part right here is where it shows like the battery life and everything right here, as you can see. So if you guys are wondering what is the range of the percussion level, it's about 1,200 to 3,300. And then the actual product itself uses a 2,400 mAh battery inside. So you guys can get about 8 hours of usage on the actual product itself. And it only takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours to fully charge the product. So I have my little decibel app, if you guys can see right there. So I'm going to turn it on and increase it one by one from 1 to 20 so you guys can hear and see what it actually sounds like. So I'm going to stop talking so you can see the numbers and hear it. So we may have at the maximum speed or maximum percussion is about 64.5. So it's not too bad, so that's actually pretty good. So now let's actually try it on myself to show you guys what it actually looks like and then describe to you guys how it feels and everything. So let's turn it on first. I'm gonna put it to 10. Alright, so as you can see right there. It's definitely a really strong percussion. I can see how this would be super nice and super useful, especially after like a long day of like working out or something. This would actually be really nice to use to help relax like the muscles and like help the blood flow and everything. Let me turn it to the max now. Alright, so that's the maximum. So for the maximum speed or percussion, this one's a little bit more like painful in a way if you guys don't know how to use it correctly, or if you guys like just put it on like immediately and don't get used to like the other speed level first. So I recommend maybe going for the lower speed level or percussion first and then work your way up. And then also it depends on like where you guys are using it and which kind of like massage head you guys are using. Each massage head is supposed to help with a certain part of your body, so make sure you guys are using the right one. If you guys don't know what each of the massage head is for, they actually tell you guys what each one is for on the actual instruction or user manual right here, as you can see. So last thing I want to show you guys is how to actually charge the product and how you guys know when it's charging. So let me just go do a quick charging test first and we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so here we have the product and I have the cable here, so let's plug it in. Alright, so we just plug it in, you can see this light pops on. And I believe once it's fully charged, the light should either turn off or it should change to a different color. And that's how you guys know when it's fully charged. So I'm just gonna let this fully charge first. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick charging test. You can see that actually does work and actually works quite well. But now that we do a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this one is definitely a little bit more pricey than your typical massage gun, especially the ones that I've tested in the past. And the reason why is because this one actually feels like a higher quality massage gun compared to other ones that I've tried in the past. Like you guys can definitely feel like the overall build quality, it feels really nice. This grip part is really nice, and just overall this whole entire part right here feels super nice. And the different heads actually feels like a high quality massage gun head. Like not just this one, like all 6 of the massage gun head actually feels really nice compared to other ones that I've tested in the channel so far. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have